it straight, that the roller there is ever so slightly angled.
Yes. Yep, it has got a lead on it, yeah.
And in essence, as you wind that, as it goes further in,
it pulls it in.
It's pushing that. It's pushing the rollers out over, which expands the tubes.
And it's actually dragging that.
There's no screw threads or anything on it. It's not rifled or anything like that. It's just it sort of naturally draws it in, and then what happens is this is turning. It's got no resistance, so you can't see. But I don't know if I can do it on there. As it turns, can you see how the rollers?
Yeah.
The roll around. Now obviously will be up.
Yeah.
But in essence, that turns, this gradually goes in
and swells the tube.
And swells the tube. Strictly speaking, this bit here is actually supposed to go the other way around. And the idea is when you're going up to the tube plate, this gives you a spacer up to there. But because I'm pre-expanding this in the lathe, this is getting in the way, so I've just swapped it round. I've made a little collar to go on it, so that basically does the same thing, but as I say, strictly speaking, that's supposed to go up against the tube.
So it's the opposite way around.
It's just I need to get the verniers of the caliper on here just to sort of measure it, and with that in the way, it was causing us a bit of trouble, like, you know. So I've swapped it around the other way.
So obviously you've done a few, so you know how big it's got to be now.
I'm taking that to 65 mil. So we'll see how we get on. So as I say, I've just done it this way. I'll show you in a second. But I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually drawn this mandrel into it.
You can, yep.
And expanded it up. I don't want much, but every turn that's happening here is saving me.
Doing it by hand, yeah.
Doing it by hand in the obviously I couldn't have gotten the caliper on if
that was the other way around.
If that was the other way around. Right, well, I've got that spot on again. Right, so this is, I'm just using as my gauge to get the distance out okay, but obviously I'm going to start on your side, but currently there's nothing really stopping that
from turning.
Yeah, so we'll just keep that on there. Right, now that's not moving, so I can get a start with there.
Yeah, and once you've expanded that side, obviously that'll stop it turning when you come to do this side.
Absolutely, yeah. Some people don't bother oiling these and just run them dry.
Sounds strange to me.
It does, you know. Especially if you retighten them, there's a bit of rust on, they pick up all the crap and it goes in, but these are brand new tubes and everything, so a bit of lubrication, I cannot see any reason why you wouldn't.
It's just a bearing, really, isn't it? Like you tape a bearing.
In essence, yeah. Yes. Yeah, and as I say, it's just expanding. If you actually get in close when you first see it, you can actually see the steel like undulating as the rollers are going round, and it's quite weird.
Till it gets a grip on
Till it gets a good grip, as it were, you know. It's surprising the power they have, like, you know. Right, so this is the one we've just put in. It's obviously, that's cut and measured, it's worked out okay. So expander in, as I say, my little collar's stopping it from going too far up. As you can see here, normally this
That would be the way around.
That would be the other way around. That would stop it from going out too far, but like I say, it's a slather
Using
on.
it for something else. So.
Yeah. That goes in there. I've put a socket on the end just so I can...
So this time, instead of the tube turning, obviously you're turning the actual spindle.
Correct, yeah.
And that'll just pull itself in and expand the material.
That's right, yeah. So it starts off pretty slack till the mandrel starts working its way in a little bit. Now I start to feel a little bit of tension on it there now. This is going in. Some people go to the gym to do all this, John. You can get it here for nout.
Absolutely.
Get the canny grip there now. So as I say, usually, if the hold water cold, it'll hold water hot. Yeah. And indeed with this, with it being a brand new firebox, brand new everything, it'll be hydraulic. So it'll be took up to 1.5. It's normal working boiler pressure before it's been heated.
What is its working pressure?
It's 120 psi.
120.
Yeah.
So they take it up 180.
That's right. Yeah. So as I say, that's really quite a cruel test for it because it's not getting the benefit of getting the heat expanding it.
Yeah.
So as I say, usually if it holds water cold, they'll hold water hot. We have had problems with sort of tubes leaking over the years and you can just nip them up, but what you generally, like if that one leaks, if you expand that one, it sets the ones away around it, so you end up having to do the whole bloody lot, like, you know. But I'm sort of optimistic that these will go in and not, with them being brand new, you know, they're nicely polished up and all the rest of it. And on top of that, quite honestly, it'll be some months before we actually get water in it because I've got all these stairs to do. A little bit of corrosion, sort of, it'll sort of take it up a little bit like and give us a better chance. Right, we'll get the other end in. So get it out, same again, just. So same again here, however, I've just made a bit of a contraption. I'm using the extension so that I can work out of it. Yeah. And I've just cut a bit of wood just to rest it on so it's not pulling out a square, you know. So again, obviously if I was doing this inside, that would make my life a lot more difficult.
You actually see the tube you fold it.
It's weird, isn't it? You know, it's like it's
you can see it moving.
It's like something's growing inside of it, which it actually is.
Oh yeah, it's closing the gap up there very nicely.
When I've got usually have the big halogen lamp down the on end shining down the barrel, and you can sort, if you get your eye right, you can
see the crack.
You can see it close up. Now it must be up somewhere now because I start to get a bit of weight on it. And as you can see, because I've pre-expanded them, I've got very, very little to sag up. Yeah. So it makes my life easy.
You've let the lathe do the work.
Absolutely.
Once again, just came to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, a massive thanks for all the kind messages, emails that have come in. They've really helped me get over the problems I've been having. I keep on saying this, you know, it's important. Blokes don't talk. You need to go to the doctors if you've got a problem, you know, be it a mental or a physical problem. For Christ's sake, get it sorted out. Don't just bottle it up, please. Anyway, thanks for watching.